The city of San Francisco is going to be upgrading its outdoor public warning system. This follows the Maui wildfires and Tropical Storm Hillary. These upgrades are going to secure the system from hacking and allow the city to bring the sirens back after 4 years of silence. KRON 4's Gail Ong has details.
We live in one of the most beautiful places in the world, but it is subject to all kinds of hazards and disasters.
Some of those disasters living in San Francisco include earthquakes, severe storms, urban flooding, and tsunamis. And recent disasters that made national headlines is prompting the city of San Francisco to upgrade its outdoor public warning system.
This is not a want to have, this is a need to have. And so I'm very pleased that the mayor and the board of supervisors were able to make this a priority.
Supervisor Aaron Peskin says funds will help with the upgrades.
We are going to bring it into the 21st century. It is going to be capable of giving different messages in different parts of town. For instance, if there's a tsunami, that's going to be very critical to inform the western part of San Francisco about.
This tool, the sirens, gives us a real sort of equal way to get information out, to both information, but mostly to alert people that something is happening.
According to Mary Ellen Carroll, Executive Director of San Francisco Department of Emergency Management, the last time the sirens were used was 10 years ago after a water main break on Treasure Island raised concerns about contamination. In 2019, the sirens went offline due to security vulnerabilities.
We are ready to hit the ground running now, so we will start just as quickly as we can, both with the planning and the procurement of the equipment, the technology. And then it's the assessment, installation, sort of that construction part that will take longer.
In San Francisco, Gail Ong, KRON 4 News.